How's it going? Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Castle programming for the speed controller and the Mamba weapon speed controller. So the wire for you plug it into the USB, and then you got to open the Castle link right here like that, and you got to download that. The download URL is www.castlecreations.com/downloads / and it'll just take you to a website, and then you just hit download. It downloads it. So once you have the wire connected to the USB of your computer and the Castle Link software open, you want to plug in the USB to the speed controller, the wire where you would connect the speed controller to the receiver. It should go green, and it should also go, you want to X out of this, you don't want that. It should also go green on this here. If it doesn't, just flip the connector on the speed controller and plug it in the other way, and it should be good. So once that's plugged in and it's green, you have all of the things you can change. So you have basic, so you can pretty much change everything. You can change brake, reverse type, quiet mode, brake amount, reverse throttle, drag brake type, all of that stuff, and you can change it. There's options to change and stuff. If you don't know what it is, just hit the question mark. It answers all your questions, because I don't know what most of this is, so I'll be hitting those question marks. The throttle curve, you can just change how the speed controller accelerates, I'd assume. Brake curve, same thing. Software, you can update it and stuff. And once you're finished with that, you can just unplug it. Bam, it's unplugged.